Greetings, fellow learners. Let's talk about the gods in continuation. Messenger of the god, that is Mercury, Greek name Hermes. Day of the week, Wednesday, solar system, planet Mercury. Relation is son of Jupiter, son of Maya. Mercury, or it's also called quicksilver. It's the only liquid metal at room temperature. Mercurial means light-hearted or active. Let's go into the detail. Mercury was the god of travelers and he had a winged hat and sandals so he could fly. You can see in the picture. And he carried a staff which also has carried a staff which also has wings and two snakes winding around it. You can see that's in the left hand. Now he was also the god of thieves, and when he was only a few days old, he stole the cows of Apollo, and Mercury made special shoes for the cows and made them walk backwards so no one could follow their tracks. Eventually, Apollo noticed that Mercury was playing a new musical instrument called lyre, a string with cow gut, and worked out that Mercury had stolen his cows. Apollo was furious with Mercury but thought the lyre was wonderful, so they agreed that Mercury would keep the cows and Apollo would get the lyre. Mercury was also the god of science and business, so you can relate it. And I think that he's the god of the internet as well. So, next, talking about Minerva, she's quite popular because, goddess of wisdom. Greek name is Athena, daughter of Jupiter. Now, Minerva was the goddess of wisdom and her symbol was the owl. Her Greek name was Athena and Athens was her city. She had a strange birth. One day Jupiter had a bad headache. Nothing would cure it. Eventually, Vulcan split open Jupiter's head. Out jumped Minerva in the armor with shield and spear. Jupiter felt much better afterwards. Don't try this at home, obviously. Now, Minerva was the goddess of arts and craft, and she was particularly good at weaving. Once a woman called Arachne wove a beautiful picture. Minerva tried to find something wrong with it. When she couldn't, she tore it up and turned Arachne into a spider. The spider still weaves beautiful webs. Minerva helped the hero Perseus to kill the Gorgon. Medusa, who was a monster with snakes instead of hair. Anyone who looked at a Gorgon turned to stone, but Minerva told Perseus to look at Medusa's reflection in a polished shield. That way he could cut the head off without looking directly at the Gorgon, and he gave the head to Minerva, who put it on her shield so it would turn her enemies to stone. So that's the whole story. Next, talking about Saturn. Saturnian means the serious and gloomy, son of Uranus and Gaia, father of Jupiter, father of Pluto and Neptune. Greek name is Kronos, very famous. Day is Saturday. Solar system planet is Saturn itself. Now Saturn was god of time and his weapon was a scythe. He called old father time. You can see that's the weapon. Now Saturn ruled the gods before Jupiter. Jupiter, Neptune and Pluto were his children, and they represent air, water, and death. The three things that time cannot kill. So that's how you can relate with it. The Romans had a mid-winter festival in honor of Saturn called the Saturnalia. It lasted 7 days and there was much merrymaking. Public business was suspended and schools were closed. Parents gave toys to their children and there was a public banquet. That is why we eat so much at Christmas, give presents, and go to parties. So that's the whole circle which we can relate with it. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.